Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Citi Double Cash credit card password, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your Citi Double Cash credit card password, begin by navigating to the Citi website. On the home page, locate the Sign On button. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Next, find the Forgot Password link directly beneath the login fields. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. You will be asked to enter your user ID. Type your user ID into the designated field and click Continue. Now, you'll need to verify your identity. Choose the method you'd prefer for verification, either through a text message or email. Follow the prompts based on your chosen verification method. If you select a text message, enter the last 4 digits of your phone number. For email, ensure you have access to the email address associated with your account. Once your identity is verified, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, you can create a new password. Make sure your new password meets all the security requirements. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. Click on the Submit button to finalize the password reset. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully changed. Now, you can return to the login page. Enter your user ID and the new password to access your account. You're all set to manage your Citi Double Cash credit card with your updated credentials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.